It's Why Not Wednesday.
Woo!
Cheers.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm ready to love you.
All right, girls, so today we have the woman who knows how to create, cultivate, empower, CEO of Create and Cultivate, Jacqueline Johnson.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
And we've been like trying to make this happen for a while.
I know. I mean, I've been fans for a really long time, and then we finally got to work together. So,
And she was on tour, your book tour.
Yes, book tour. But I'm here. There's wine. There's dogs. It's literally my dream situation.
And the palette is very like.
We nailed every color. It's perfect.
So I know you are amazing at building a community, and that's what Tone It Up is, a community as well. So one of the topics we wanted to chat about today was how to create your tribe.
Yeah, I mean, I think with Create and Cultivate, what we did was we tapped into something that didn't exist, which is probably very similar to what you guys did as well. We saw a hole in the market for a place where women could connect in a really authentic way to themselves and talk about work in a real talk environment, not like stingy, boring conference style, or in a way that felt very like you couldn't ask the questions you wanted to, or you couldn't be open and real about how you were feeling. And when I threw it out there, you know, the first Create and Cultivate, like 100 years ago, which was just 30 people, I realized after that, you know, so much momentum around people being like, when's the next one, when's the next one? And that's when it hit me. I was like, okay, something's here. And it's not just me that feels it, it's a lot of different types of women.
Yeah, that's definitely how Tone It Up started too, it was at the time when fitness was so harsh, kind of, you know, I would say stale. Like, you needed to bring in a new energy and a new like fun and something that is attractive to the next generation even.
Yeah, and I'm sure it was something that you guys were like, we like this and we enjoy this. And then it's kind of that moment of, well, if I like it, there has to be more people like me that need it or want to be a part of it.
We were definitely looking for something that was positive. We met through fitness, and we were at the point in our lives and our careers where we were both in fitness before we even met. And we wanted to connect with other women through fitness. We wanted to be positive, and we wanted to, we had just moved to town and meet like-minded girls as friends too. And so we met just organically, but we wanted to create that space where it was safe for girls to connect through fitness and find their tribe. So if you're looking to create your tribe or find your tribe, you can either do even through careers with Create and Cultivate, or you can hashtag TIU your area and find
TIU
your
Chicago, TIU Dallas, any of that. But yeah, I think finding your tribe is really just finding, you know, your I can't say that, authenticity, put it out there, and what you're passionate about, and they will come, whether it's best friends or career.
I love that. I think it's great that it's both online and offline. It's very similar to what we do too. It's like you have your community online that might not live near you or even next to you, but then you can connect with people locally as well, which is so important.
It's amazing. We hear from women in the community that, you know, I remember that girl that she moved to Boston. She's like, I don't know anyone there. And then she said she was moving to Boston on Instagram and hashtagged TIU Boston and TIU team, and then moved to Boston. They had literally like a welcoming party for her. And then she had a built-in system of support and girlfriends, and whether they talked about careers or just life or anything, just having that right away is so incredible. And so creating that space for women to be able to connect with each other.
Absolutely, and I think that's so incredible. I mean, I can't even think back to a time when that existed, you know, when you're moving somewhere new and
I was just thinking
needing to find people who like what you like and are interested in what you like.
That's like the benefits of the digital age.
Yes, the internet.
I know everyone's like, sometimes with bashful, but sometimes there's good stuff, you know.
Yeah,
right, totally.
It's what
the
you
good
make
and
it.
yeah.
Agreed.
Cheers, girls.
Cheers.